Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to deliver a seminar on lesson plan and its character. I am Priscilla from Department of Mathematics. Now let we see learning objective. The learning objective is to enhance the knowledge of lesson plan and its characteristics of good lesson plan. Let's see what Jett and Davis have to say a good lesson plan. According to Donald, a good lesson plan is like a roadmap. It shows the final destination and usually the best way to get there. What come to mind with the roadmap? How to Google Map is very useful to reach our correct destination. Like the lesson plan is used for teacher, students and the knowledge process to reach the destination without any issues. Next, according to Davis, an arrangement of learning, planning, organizing, and controlling by a teacher. Whatever the function in our family, there is a proper arrangement or planning or organizing will be done so that the function should be in a proper manner. All these arrangements are done by the family members, like for students' learning process. In order to avoid problems such as time lacking and incomplete portion, difficult to access the students, etc. So, according Davis, for students' learning process arrangement, lesson plan is very essential. Now, let me see what is called lesson plan. As we discussed earlier, according to time management combination of portion, what are the things the students has to learn. What are the essential methods to teach and how the students will be evaluate all these are complemented by a lesson plan. So lesson plans are a teacher daily guide for what students need to learn, how it will be taught and how learning will be measured. Lesson plans help teacher be more effective in the classroom by providing a detailed outline to follow each class period. Next, now we see characteristics of good lesson plan. All fingers are different, each fingers are unique. For example, one finger we used to wear a ring, another finger we used to show the direction, and so on. Like here, the lesson plan also having different characters features. Let we see discuss the characteristics of good lesson plan. Lesson plan should be in a written form. Then, in lesson planning, the general and important objective should be clearly defined. Lesson plan should be related to suitable teaching method and its used. A continuity component review and reflect on content from a previous lesson. Subject, time, class, average age of students should be mentioned in the lesson plan. Next, inspirational or motivational methods should be experimental in lesson planning. In lesson planning, the time for each topic should appropriate be predeterminate. Important examples should be included in lesson plan. In lesson planning, the techniques and supportive materials of educational like charts, map and other audio, visual materials and its utilized should be written. Then all the objective of the lesson, both general and specific, should be stored clearly in the lesson plan, and the lesson plan should outline in the detail the various steps that teacher process to take in the class, and we should not remain in the oral or mental stage and should be preferably written. Then we see how it's basic on the previous knowledge and experience of the learners, and the present knowledge should be well integrated with the previous knowledge. The lesson plan should reveal the development of topic. Good lesson planning requires that the lesson unit must be finished within the time allocated. A good lesson plan should contain the question to be asked illustration to be used, the assignment to be done and the active to be carried out. Ample preparation should be made in the lesson plan for arousing and curiosity and sustaining the interest of the students. Ample preparation should be made in the lesson plan for arousing the curiosity and sustaining in the interest of the students. Application stage for applying the learned rules and formula should find a place in the lesson plan. A good lesson plan should stimulate relative thinking, independent thinking, and organizedly of expression on the apartment or expression the part of the students. A good lesson plan should be flexible and not rigid. It should make the presentation more effective. A lesson plan should provide our consolidation and recapitulation of ideas. First, reference should be clearly given, and it should suggest activities to meet individual difference. It should provide interesting and extending motivation. A good lesson plan should provide the basic for further learning. And these are my reference slide. Thank you.